Hey guys, what's up? Okay, I've got progress finally for the Baja. You haven't seen it because I was actually pretty far ahead with the videos as they were coming out. I mean, most of them I filmed, within a probably 2-week span, and I was waiting for the motor the whole time. And now the video, my surplus of videos have caught up with real time. So I got the motor in. What happened was machine shop was like ridiculously backed up. Man, it took like 2 months to get this motor put together, but I got it installed. I just need to add the peripherals. It's the brand new short block ARP head studs with the 6-star head gaskets. You can see right there. So yeah, pretty much at this point it's going to be getting all the engine peripherals back together, intake manifold, exhaust, get the turbo back bolted on. The power steering pump, you remember I was talking about, I thought it was leaking, and sure enough I just placed it on the block and it's already getting, oh man, it's dripping down. I need to clean that up. Yeah, I'm going to get that cleaned up, and I have a new power steering pump on, well, not a new one, a refurb. Because they're actually kind of hard to find for the freaking Baja Turbo. But I have a refurbished one coming in. It went in, you know, pretty fine. I changed some hoses here on the bottom, right here. This for the oil cool line. They were like real swollen and nasty. And then this one back here. So all those are new oil cooler. New motor mounts as well. I'm gonna get I think one of the bellows is torn. Yeah, one of the bellows is torn. I'm gonna go ahead and do both of them. And then when I was down here, I also saw the rack is wet a little bit right here. And I think it's leaking. I think it's leaking from that hose. So I'm gonna replace that hose. But I'm going to do that after I have all the engine together, put it up on quick jacks, and then it'll make it easier to work under here. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm finally some good, decent progress. But today what I'm doing is cleaning the interior, cleaning the carpets. I pulled the floor mats out and cleaned them out. I have them drying right now. So now I'm working on the interior. I wanted to get the carpet all done and clean with the seats bolted back in before I started the motor. Just because I just wanted the seats in here, so that way when it starts and I'm sitting somewhere and I can drive it. So I vacuumed this side. And the carpet's pretty nice. It's in pretty good condition. There's a stain, that dark stain right there. And then I think some spills probably from coffee or something like that right here on the side. I'm gonna clean that with carpet shampoo. This side has not been, oh man, it looks ugly with the sun. Hard to focus. But this side I haven't vacuumed it yet. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then we'll shampoo it and bolt the seats back in. Okay. Oh man, this freaking sun. I'm sorry guys. But there, we're vacuumed here. Same thing, there's some coffee stains right there. Other than that, the carpet's, pretty nice. There's a little stain right there. I'll record myself doing this side. It'll look a lot better. All right, so let's get started. All right, so here we go. This side is shampooed and good to go. Some leftover soap. This right here, I kind of went a little ham with the brush, and I think I damaged the carpet a little bit, so I'm gonna not go so crazy on the other side. I might scrub right here a little bit. It seems like the drill couldn't really get there. I'll get a little hand brush and scrub that. That stain came out over there. And man, the carpet is noticeably a lot softer, and it's a lot cleaner. Way cleaner. I picked this up today at O'Reilly's. I usually have carpet cleaner in my garage. I usually use Blue Magic, or Blue Coral, or I think that's the other one I use. And this stuff, I don't like it. It doesn't spray nice and thick the way Blue Coral or Blue Magic does, and I don't know. This is multi-purpose. Like, I guess you can use it for different things. Fabric, carpet, and vinyl, but I don't know. I'm not gonna purchase this again. I'm gonna stick with what I usually use: Blue Magic or Blue Coral. All right, I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna record it because the sun makes it difficult, but I'll show you all the end result. Okay, here is the driver's side. Oh man, look at that freaking shadow. But yeah, the stains got out. This stain that was over here came out. And same thing, the carpet is a lot softer. I mean, like I said, that tough stuff, it worked. I didn't like it. I'm not gonna buy it again. And the other thing I didn't like was that it didn't smell as good. Blue Magic, Blue Coral will give a car a nice, clean smell, and this, it doesn't have it. I don't know what it is. So I don't know. If you guys want to take my advice, I wouldn't buy that one. Stick to Blue Coral or Blue Magic. They're inexpensive and they work really well. So I'm gonna bolt the seats back in now, and that will probably be it, hopefully, because I cleaned all the leather on the seats and everything. I need to deep clean the dash. I'll probably take out the cluster plastic and polish that out and make it look nice, and then do a good cleaning on the door panels. I might go back afterwards with Blue Magic or Blue Coral on the exposed carpet, just to hit it, I don't know, like for final inspection or something, and just to get that smell. I like the way that smells. Oh, one more thing. When I was, let's see if I can, there. When I was under there, I noticed there's that little bit of exposed metal on the pad, on the pedal pad. So I'm gonna get that replaced, and I'll probably just clean the gas pedal right now with the toothbrush and that tough stuff spray I have, and I'll do the same thing with the dead pedal. So yeah, let me bolt the seats back in, and I think that'll be it for the day. There we go. That is much better. And then this guy's gonna get replaced. So I'll order that today. The seats are back in the Baja. The interior, after so long, is finally well, no, it's all the way put back together, not just put back together. The last thing is down here. Oh, let me see if I can get down here. I have a tripod on this thing. Let me take it off. Okay, so down here, the cover, like this plastic cover here, when I was taking the seats off, I couldn't get under there because I had disconnected the battery, and then, you know, the seat's freaking electric, so I couldn't move the seat after that. It's one of those hindsight moments, and I freaking destroyed that cover that goes on this side, and I didn't want to leave it like that, so I ordered a new one. I'm gonna open that up and stick it on, and that'll be the last piece. There we go. New freaking cover. That thing was hard as hell to get in. So, yeah, I destroyed it, and I was like, no, I can't leave it like that. But all right, that's it for the day, guys. We got the seats cleaned, carpets cleaned, seats in, and it looks very nice. Now we need to get the engine back together. I have a place to sit while I'm cranking it, and yeah, that's about it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching.